From product to professional ad in minutes. Create stunning professional AI ads in minutes with Nextify.ai. Upload your product, pick an actor, add your script and scene, choose a voice, and generate high quality ads in minutes. It's fast, easy, and powerful. Let's watch the ads and then I'll show you how to create them.
Wow, look at my new penguin friend. It's so soft and squishy, and it even has a donut. I love it. These glittery bunny boots are cozy, warm, and adorable. Perfect for little feet this winter. Get them before they sell out.
Let's open it up. Inside, all wrapped in tissue, is this adorable pastel kitty backpack. Look at the glitter bow and those sparkling eyes. It is so cute. The straps are padded and adjustable.
Whoa! Look at this. Sleek, stylish, built to shine. Check details, Joy. Smooth, premium, made to last.
Let's begin. First, sign up or log into Nextify.ai. Next, choose product and hand demo from the ad format. This decides the style of your video. Paste your script and scene. Keep it under 200 characters. You can even use ChatGPT to generate one. Select the voice.
Hey guys, today is all about the steaming hot tea. Have you heard this gossip? Grab a cup and get cozy. I've got lots to spill.
Click Generate Holding Image. Upload your product image. Select your actor.
Welcome to Nextify. Let's craft your next great ad, simply and calmly.
And choose required ratio. 9:16 for shorts or 16:9 for YouTube. Describe how the actor should handle the product, such as characters, scenes, action, and dialogue. You can even use ChatGPT to generate one. Click Generate. Multiple images will be generated. Choose the best image or regenerate another by adjusting the script or actor if needed. Then hit Generate Video.
These sunglasses are perfect for summer. Lightweight, colorful, and stylish pop. They make every outfit pop. I grab them whenever I head out.
In just a few minutes, your professional AI ad is ready. Nextify.ai is packed with powerful ad creation tools. From video ad generator and talking actors to product in hand demo, B-roll showcase, and unboxing POV. It gives you everything you need to create stunning professional ads effortlessly. Pricing is simple. There are 3 plans: Starter, Pro, and Business. Just pick the one you need and subscribe. With these features and plans, you can create stunning, professional ads quickly and easily. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more creative videos. Thanks for watching Ingenious Kids World. Bye!